Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. On this particular video I'm going to show you how you can change your time zone on your iPhone. I did a keyword research and I see that most of you have been finding it difficult to do this, and you've been searching online, particularly on YouTube, on how to do this, and that's why I came up with this tutorial to show you step by step on how you can change your time zone on your iPhone. Okay, let's go. And normally, your iPhone automatically sets its appropriate time using your location, but if you want, you can manually change the time zone by entering your city name. Just follow me as I show you how to do it. Okay, to manually set a time zone, you first disable the automatic date and time option on your iPhone. So just follow me as I do that. First of all, you go to setting. On setting, you go to general. You can see general. On general, you scroll down to date and time. You can see the set automatically option is being marked because my phone is on automatic mode, but for the sake of this tutorial I'll turn it off to show you how you can change it to anywhere you want. Okay, so right now you switch it off, and to set your time zone now to anywhere you want, you have to use the city name of the place. If you want to be in the US, you have to use a city in the US. Okay, what you do is to click this time zone, click the time zone, and right, if you can look at it very well, you see that Lagos is being marked as automatic because Lagos is a city in Nigeria, and I'm currently using Lagos time zone. So okay, let's say New York. You can see the option here. You click it, you can see the time has changed. It has changed to New York. This is New York time as at the time of this tutorial. So all you have to do is just to go back. That's all. That's all for that. It's not hard. That's how it's been done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get new videos as I'm uploading them. Okay, bye for now.